वायर बस ये इतना एरिया दिखने दो चल।
ठीक है।
This is a 22 gauge wire. So first you have to straighten it out a little bit. तो बीच में ना चाहिए तो स्टॉप कर दो उसको, फिर क्लिप अपन ऐड कर देंगे क्योंकि आफ्टर पुटिंग द मार्किंग्स सी द लेंथ ऑफ द ब्रिज शुड बी एग्जैक्टली द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द cusp tips and you have to transfer these markings on your wire. First we will make a 90-degree bend. Okay, like this a 90-degree bend is given. Now for the second we'll be taking the markings. These markings you can do with the permanent marker. Can you see at the cusp tips? Take 0.5 mm extra than what is required for the actual length of the bridge. So this has to be marked. Can you see this marking? This marking. Now while giving the bend, hold the plier 90-degree to the wire. This is how two 90-degree bends are given. Arrowheads. How it should be done? See, it should come like this after making in the half. This is how you should make the markings for it. Okay, see, markings are done like this so that your bridge comes exactly in the half or center of the tube. Then from these markings, first give 90-degree bend. First give 90-degree bend. Okay. Same way, give the 90-degree bend for the other side also. Okay, these two are given. Now you will have to hold with a firm grip. Bend it. Fine. Then squeezing of this thing is done. Focus on this area. Squeezing. Can you see this? Squeezing is done. Then do it for the other side. If this 90-degree bends get opened up, change the angulation. Hold it firmly. Change the angulation. Squeezing. Now you have to see this, show this up. Now change the angulation. Focus on. By holding the plier at an angle, change the angulation. I'm doing it for the other side also. The plane of it is changed. Can you see? See the change, plane. How it has been changed. Okay, now next is our first bend. That is given exactly half, but don't bend it too much. After giving bend in this direction, change the angulation. Fine. Check for this. So you have to put it here. Just to No, this 2 3 we are doing now. Yes. See, always put on the markings. Okay, can you see? Show through pencil. Huh? Can you see how this wire? See this, how this wire is going. Okay, I'll do it for the other side and then I'll show. ठीक है नहीं मैं कंटिन्यू कर रही हूँ. हाँ, do the marking for this set. See this. Now give these bands very gently. See this? How it is going. इसको कट करके पकड़. See how it has to come. Okay. Then again put the marking for this area. See the mark. These bends should not be sharp. Okay, I will cut this end first. See this? Okay. Fine. Now we have to do the adjustment for this area. Adaptations. One hand over. Gradually we will bend this area. This has started touching, so we will cut this. See this? Buckle surface दिखाओ. See, this is how it has to be. This area. Now we will be adapting these two surfaces. Now we will be making the diagrams. This is how the diagram needs to be. दिनों में क्लिनिकल काम कर रही है. मुझे भी ऐसे है. See this? Now we'll adapt it little bit. Sure. For the other side, we'll make it in the same thing. stiff. This side is adapting, it is not adapting, so we'll adjust this. I think it is done. Yes. We show कर दो हर angulation इसकी, है ना? See. Gap from the buccal surface. I'll show you this. Open like that.